The purpose of this video is educational only. I had another issue with my boiler, Vitodens 100W, and the F4 means that there is an error with the ignition. So the first thing you want to do is to press this R and keep it pressed. So let's do this, and it will try to restart and whatever. The second thing you should do is check your gas valve. So open it. I will close it now, but you should have it open and make sure that there is a flow in gas. How you can see, we'll start the ignition and whatever. One of the other things you should do is to open this up and clean the terminals here with a wide brush like this. Inside there are these two terminals, and you should do the cleaning. If this doesn't work either, you continue with the procedure. So one problem that I found is that there was a cable here. You will have this cable, these two cables, basically with the plastic on it, and they will go inside of the computer. You have to take the lid off, this lid off, and disconnect the cable from here and from this red one from here, and check the continuity of the red cable and the other one, the black one, with the multimeter. So disconnect both of them. Put the multimeter in the short circuit position and attach one of the terminal and check its continuity here. You can see it's basically 0 and it's ringing, so this one it's okay. Then you put the multimeter into a 20K indicator, or basically resistance test, and you do the same thing. You connect one terminal to the point here. Here you will have the black plastic, so just the point. In the other side you will see there should be written 4.7 or for 7 kilo ohms. So in my case, how you can see, there is nothing, there's absolutely nothing. But when you broke the black plastic around it, you will see that the cable actually works, and that the problem is within the resistor itself. How you can see, the cable itself, it's okay. You just have to bypass the resistor. So in our case, the resistor is broken, and you should change the resistor itself. So here we have the resistor. Once you open up the cable, 4.7 kilo ohms, and it's half watt of power. So you just have to change it, replace it, and to do so you have to open the cable, the plastic holder. So here you have it. You just have to press it on both sides, and it will break, obviously. Once you change the resistor here, once you have changed it, you have to check the continuity and see here 4.7 kilo ohms. If everything is okay, you should cover all this area with an insulation, not tape because it's not sufficient, but you have to basically put it in a resin. But I will show you now. So this is the result after you finished changing the resistor inside. You apply a hardening plastic, an insulator, so it doesn't shock anything around it, and it's pretty hard, so it's well insulated. How you can see, everything is fine. Now we show us the flame. 1 second. Okay, so here you can see the flame, and here is the repair. So everything is working perfectly.